Hey, Aaron here. Today we're unboxing my Nikon Zf. Inside you'll see you get a cable and some paper. Of course you get one battery, and inside the wrap you will see I chose green. Looks really good, feels really good. Full frame sensor, of course. I'm going to get right into what you all came for. The sounds, the feels, the smells, the clicks on the dials, and all the good things. This camera powers on so fast. Incredible. Oh, that's nice. Nice and dampened. Let's hear that again. Nice. Oh, that's a nice click. Solid. You'll see these modes are locked, but the shutter speeds move freely. I like this very much. Exposure compensation sounds good. Locked ISO dial. Moves freely. Let's check out those pesky battery doors. A little, no, pretty solid. Nice click. Let's try that again. Okay. Average. It's fine. Mode dial. Feels good. You'll notice the camera and the video mode are like kind of loose in a short travel, whereas to get to black and white, you've got to press it a little bit more aggressively and a little bit further. Aperture dial. This will be my shutter speed dial. So I've got two Z-mount lenses. One's autofocus, one's manual focus. And you'll see I've got an adapter ring, and with that I can adapt my Leica M-mount lenses to it. First up, we've got the Z-mount Voigtlander f1. I am really excited to try this out. Figured I'd get one autofocus lens, so I went with the 40mm f2. Looks nice. And really small adapter. I've got my M lens on there. This is the 28. With the hood looking sharp. And then the 75, 1.5. Also looks really nice. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. I'm already working on my first impressions video where I'll be using all four of these lenses, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you soon.